Hey guys, Rubber Tramp Renegade here. Today I'm going to help my dad work on some dirt work. He's getting ready to build a barn, so I'm interested to see how this is going to turn out. He's got like a big D5 Caterpillar dozer that I've never driven, so I'm going to learn how to operate that and move some dirt. So maybe that'll be a little bit of stress relief from my daily life, out working all the time. So I'm going to take the van over there and have a little fun. Come with me. Alright, so I'm up here where we're going to build this building, and you can see the dozer right there behind me. You probably saw when I was driving in all those posts and everything. Those posts, it's a vineyard up here. My dad's got about 1,000 grape plants, grapevines, and about 120 blackberries. There, you can't really see any leaves or anything right now because it's November and everything's kind of died off, but it's really pretty in the summer and the spring. So check out my website if you haven't already. I think I've got some pictures on there if you want to see it. But I'm going to jump on this dozer and try to do some damage. Man, it is windy out here today, so I hope you can hear me. I want to show you kind of how big that bulldozer really is. I don't know if you were able to tell. I'm going to try to find something to set this camera on and walk up to the blade and show you, because I forgot my tripod today. So let me see if I can find a bucket or something, but this thing is huge. Alright, so what did you think of that? That thing is pretty big. I think it's a D5. I'm not sure. But it's just an old Caterpillar dozer. My dad He's a diesel mechanic, and he buys equipment occasionally on a whim, something that's broken that he can fix. I think he got this one on a trade. He had a smaller dozer, wanted something bigger, and ran into this one, but the dozer he got in order to get this one was broken. He fixed it. The guy was looking for a smaller one. My dad was looking for a bigger one. They swapped. But this thing is huge. It's actually bigger than he needs, but it does the job. Let me kind of show you. I think it's cool. This old dozer, it's got a little bit of character to it. Let me show you the shift knob. One thing I like about it is this shift knob here. So you got an old trucker lady on there. I don't know if you can see that. It's upside down right now, but kind of cool. Then it's got a red glowing shift knob there. Yeah, this thing is huge and it's fun to drive. So I haven't wrecked it yet. I haven't ran over anybody yet. So far so good. I'm gonna get back to moving some dirt.